Organic underarm roll-ons are liquid deodorant products applied directly to the underarm using a rolling applicator. Depending on the formula and certification, they may contain ingredients such as plant extracts, botanical oils, aloe vera, mineral salts, or natural fragrances. The term organic can mean different things depending on the product and certification, so consumers should check the ingredient list and any applicable organic certification rather than relying solely on marketing language. How do natural roll-on deodorants work? Sweat itself generally doesn't have a strong odor. Underarm odor develops when microorganisms interact with substances in sweat. A deodorant is designed to help manage this odor. An antiperspirant works differently by reducing sweating. The FDA classifies ordinary deodorants as cosmetics, while antiperspirants are regulated as drugs in the United States because they affect the body's sweating function.